Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli in my awesome Tesla Model 3 parked. Don't worry, I'm not driving around. And today I want to go over 10 things, a list of 10 things why Tesla Model 3 is the best car in the world. Obviously it's a bombastic claim and I like to be bombastic sometimes, but Tesla Model 3 in this class of EVs or gasoline, BMW M3, let's say, for example, Lexus, the class of, let's say, $40,000 to $50,000 cars, whichever. But we can really say, I can easily say that Tesla Model 3 in this class for EVs is the best car in the world. So let's start, and you absolutely more than welcome to comment and ask questions and dispute and have a discussion. I always love it. And at the end, I'm going to tell you what is our next video coming up soon. So here you go. Number one, Tesla is the fastest car. Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and performance between 3.2 seconds to 5.1 seconds. It's a very fast car, acceleration with a monster horsepower. It's amazingly fast car and quick car off the line. Number two, should be even number one, it's the safest car. It's rated by NHTSA, 5 stars rated by NHTSA, which is the agency that rates safety of car and many other things. By the way, Model S, Model X, and Model 3 are considered to be very, very safe car. I mean, recently an airplane hit and Model X, I believe, and everybody in that car was came out good. One of my friends who has a Tesla Model 3, her housekeeper and a friend got into an accident with the Model 3, which was then totaled. In any other car, they would probably be dead. I'm going to do a video about that in the future. Number three, which I claimed before Tesla Model 3 was even introduced, is the Supercharging network. It's an unbelievable system of giving you the ability all over the United States, many parts in Canada, Western Europe, and Asia, China, Japan, for example, to charge and to have long trips with absolutely no worries that you're going to get stranded. There are 1,600 superchargers around the world and growing, representing about 11,100 or so stalls. Actual individual stalls where you can charge your car anywhere, really. And the maximum wattage that you can get is right now is about 118, 120 kilowatt hours. Soon they're talking about more than doubling that, 250 kilowatts in the near future. That is amazing. The supercharger is one of the best advantages that Tesla has. Number four, Tesla Model 3 has tremendous space in the front, also known the front trunk, the back trunk, which is deep, and it has also a well underneath where you can put charging cables and many other things, and also a trunk that the back seats can fold and give you a really nice long space. So it's a very spacious car, unbelievable spacious car. Number five, the Autopilot system. Now, as opposed to other cars, the Autopilot system works on maps and sensors. So, for example, if you are in a place that is not recognized by maps, the maps are not updated, you can still use Autopilot because it does have sensors. So you have a combination of maps and sensors, and it's also very good, and I will do a video about it, in a 2-lane road, not just highways, which are 2 lanes on each side, 2 and 2 or 4. You can have it on a 2-lane going 1 lane each direction. And one of the greatest advantages that there are about 250,000, 250,000 Tesla cars collecting and updating data to improve the Autopilot system. Number six, over-the-air update, just like your smartphone that gets better with time. Tesla Model 3 and all the Teslas for that matter get updated all the time, and they get better all the time, and that is a huge advantage over any car, whether it's gasoline car or an electric car, that the car that you buy gets better in time, in terms of autopilot, in terms of self-driving in the future, in terms of safety, and all those important things. Number 7, big screen. Tesla Model 3 has a 15-inch screen with multiple components that you can see everything nice and clear and touch and self-explanatory, intuitive. It's amazing. So the big screens on the Tesla Model 3 are second to none in that class, or any other class for that matter. Number 3, one of my favorite, the battery. So the battery is cooled, it's liquid cooled. Now, it's not unique to Tesla, but it's a very advanced system. But most importantly, Tesla Model 3 is over 300 miles, 75 kilowatt hour battery, giving you over 300 miles of range. And that is awesome. The issue of range does not exist in the Tesla Model 3. You just don't have to think about it. Okay, it's a 300 miles is plenty. You can charge everywhere. You have, most of the time you charge at home anyway, but the idea of range is irrelevant anymore in the Tesla Model 3. It's just like any other car. You're never going to have to worry about getting stuck. Warranty, number 9, warranty. Tesla warranty is 8 years, 120 Tesla Model 3, 8 years, 120,000 miles for the drivetrain and the battery, which is the most important components, and 50,000, 4 years and 50,000 bumper to bumper warranty. And number 10, number 10 is my favorite. Number 10 is purely subjective. Number 10 is, it's just a beautiful car. It really is a beautiful car. It's like a beautiful woman who walks into a party, or a handsome man who walks into a party and you notice them. It's just an unbelievably beautiful car. And you can say that you don't think so, but still it is an amazingly beautiful car, and that is just unbelievable. Okay, so that's the 10 reasons why Tesla Model 3 is the most is the best car in the world. If you can contribute other components, I would be very happy, and we can discuss it. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. If you want to buy a Tesla, you can use my reference code. It's below the description, and you can support this channel by becoming a patron or shop at the Electric Israeli store. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video. And the video tomorrow is going to be about owning 3 electric cars. So stay tuned for tomorrow. See you guys.